Ever feel like no matter how much money you make, it disappears before you know it? You're not alone. Thousands of people earn good salaries and still live paycheck to paycheck. But here's the truth. It's not about how much you make. It's about how you manage it. Today, I'm going to walk you through 10 powerful personal finance lessons that have transformed people's lives. And if you apply them, your financial future can change too. Let's start with the foundation. Lesson 1. Know where your money goes. Sarah was earning $3,500 a month, a solid income. Yet by the end of every month, her bank account was nearly empty. She kept asking herself, where is all my money going? So she tracked every dollar for 30 days. What she found shocked her. $300 on takeout, $150 on streaming subscriptions she barely used, $50 on daily coffee runs. That's $500 disappearing quietly every month. Her breakthrough came from awareness. Here's what you should do. Track every expense for 1 month. Separate spending into essentials, wants, and savings. Look for patterns you can improve. Create a realistic budget, one that includes enjoyment, not punishment. Then review it monthly. John, a 28-year-old engineer, discovered he was wasting $300 monthly on takeout. He invested that $300 instead. 2 years later, he had over $6,000 invested. Small awareness creates big results. Lesson 2. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Cars break down. Medical bills appear. Jobs change. Lisa, a freelancer, learned this when her laptop suddenly died. She had no savings and couldn't work for a week. The stress was overwhelming. An emergency fund isn't just money, it's peace of mind. Start with $1,000. Automate small monthly deposits into a separate account. Gradually build it to cover 3 to 6 months of expenses. Use it only for true emergencies. When Mark's car broke down, he paid cash from his emergency fund. No debt, no panic, just control. That's what security feels like. Lesson 3. Get out of debt. Debt can feel like invisible chains. Tina had $20,000 in credit card debt. She made minimum payments, but the balance barely moved. She felt trapped. Then she chose a strategy, the debt snowball method, paying off the smallest debts first to build momentum. She listed every debt, paid more than the minimum, stopped adding new debt. 18 months later, she was debt-free. The $500 she used to send to credit cards every month, she now invests it. Debt isn't permanent, but commitment must be. Lesson 4. Save and invest. Saving protects your money. Investing grows it. Alex started investing just $100 per month at age 25. By 40, he had over $60,000, not because he was rich, but because of compound interest. Money earning money, consistently. Open retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. Choose low-cost index funds or ETFs. Start small, even $50 matters. Automate everything. The biggest mistake people make is waiting. Time is more powerful than amount. Lesson 5. Understand credit. Your credit score is your financial reputation. Emma's score was 580, and she couldn't get approved for a home loan. Instead of ignoring it, she took action. She paid every bill on time, reduced her credit usage below 30%, stopped opening unnecessary accounts. 2 years later, her score rose to 720, and suddenly, opportunities opened. Protect your credit. It impacts your future more than you realize. Lesson 6. Live below your means. Every time David got a raise, he upgraded his lifestyle. Better car, bigger apartment, more expenses. But his savings didn't grow. That's lifestyle inflation. When he chose to live below his means and invest the difference, everything changed. Years later, he bought his dream home in cash. Living below your means isn't sacrifice, it's strategy. Short-term discipline creates long-term freedom. Lesson 7. Create multiple income streams. Relying on one paycheck is risky. Maria was a teacher who started selling digital planners online. Within 2 years, her side hustle earned more than her teaching job. You don't need something massive. Freelancing, consulting, digital products, investments. Each stream adds stability. More income streams mean more control. Lesson 8. Invest in financial education. Most people were never taught how money truly works. John decided to learn. He read books, watched tutorials, and asked questions. Because of that, he avoided costly mistakes and invested wisely. Financial education pays dividends for life. Make learning about money a habit. Lesson 9. Set clear financial goals. Vague goals create vague results. Sarah wanted a house. Instead of just wishing for it, she created a plan. She calculated her down payment, set a monthly savings target, tracked progress visually, celebrated milestones. 3 years later, she moved in debt-free. Clarity creates direction. Direction creates progress. Lesson 10. Mindset matters. This may be the most important lesson of all. Peter used to see money as stress, but when he shifted his mindset, everything changed. Money became a tool for freedom, opportunity, and security. Adopt abundance thinking. Replace limiting beliefs. Celebrate progress. Say this with confidence. I control my money. My money doesn't control me. That's where transformation begins. Financial freedom isn't a dream. It's a series of consistent, intentional decisions. Track your money. Build security. Eliminate debt. Invest wisely. Keep learning. Start small. Stay consistent. Your future self is depending on the decisions you make today. If this inspired you, like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more. Let's grow together and build a life of confidence, freedom, and abundance.